side. You can see how they look. And my opinion in this would be that these look great on the white watercolor paper, but when it comes to black, I can still see the paper through these paints. I am not a fan of this, but yes, they have worked flawlessly on the white paper. You can fix this by letting the water sit in the paint for 10 more minutes maybe, and try to use a thick consistency when you're doing on black, because those portions seem to be really opaque. In the next set, it's the same thing. The colors are really pretty and vibrant and have a really decent metallic finish. Again, on the black, it's the same thing. You can see through the paint. This is the only place where I'm disappointed. Otherwise, I love the color varieties and the paints are also flawless. And I cannot complain because for this price range, this is a great one. So these are the next set of colors. The champagne is repeated in the previous one, and I think a gold color is also repeated, but otherwise all the colors are unique in each set. Same thing happened here also in the blacks. Anyways, it is okay, it's fixable, so I shouldn't complain about this. But yeah, I wish it worked flawlessly as it did on the white, even on the black. But yes, if you use a lesser amount of water and keep the paints really thick, you should be able to get the same finish even on a black. So this is a quick look of all the colors on black and all the colors on white. Do let me know in the comments what you think about these paints, and do you feel it's worth your purchase. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video where I use some of these colors in lettering. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.